Go.
Stand up. Vanguard. Draw. Ride. Tank Mouse. Draw. Pass turn.
Draw for turn. Ride. Circle Maze. Draw.
No guard.
Drive check. No trigger.
Damage. Critical trigger. My turn. Stand. Draw. Ride. Barcode Zebra. Called Triad Dog. Attack with Zebra.
No guard.
Trigger check. None. Attack with Triad Dog.
Guard with memes.
No guard. I mean, end turn.
Stand and draw.
Oh, clearly that was wrong.
Ride. Promise Daughter. Skill of Circle. Hourglass. Draw. Because you know, Oracle Think Tank has to do things. 23 at the Vanguard.
Now, no guard.
Try check.
Damage. No trigger.
So did you just plan a no guard from the start?
Yeah. If you've seen my hand, you'd know I don't really have anything I want to guard with.
I'm not allowed to look at your hand.
Ride. Armed Instructor. Bison. Get an Excel kit.
Right, I gotta search. Forgot about that.
We're going to call Binoculus Tiger, Barcode Zebra, and a Tank Mouse. We will have Binoculus Tiger attack your Vanguard with 19.
No guard.
I'm not using a skill. Then we will have Armed Instructor Bison attack your Vanguard, and I will use a skill. Counterblast 1, restand, gain 5k, right? Yeah.
No guard.
Twin Drive, first check. Second check.
Morikawa approves. Morikawa approves of that drive check.
I will have Zebra attack with 9.
Guard with Tom.
Then I will have Binoculus attack with 24, and then I will use a skill. Counterblast 1, mill the top card. It is a normal unit, so I get to draw a card.
Guard with Sphere.
Then we have 15 from Triad Dog.
Guard with Sphere.
And that's the end of my turn.
Stand.
So Corey, you're sitting at 3 damage. How does that feel?
Feels pretty good. Ride Amaterasu.
Oh no.
It begins. Skill of Amaterasu. It'll stay there.
My hands may be too shaky. We'll see.
31 at Binoculus Tiger.
Well, like, I guess he's gonna die then. No guard.
Crit boost.
Ooh, this is gonna go well for me. I can feel it. Ride. School Hunter Leopold. Excel gift. Leopold's skill. Mill the top card. It is a normal unit. So I look at the top 4. I can call up to 2. Never mind. I don't want to call any of those.
Well, at least it says up to. I'm glad they fixed the wording in a lot of the cards.
On the bright side, Barcode Zebra activated once from that. And I get to try again.
At least something came out of that mill.
Cutter tap.
It feels so weird to see Great Nature as a mill deck now.
Yeah, Mill's usually was Granblue's thing.
And then another normal unit.
Well, no, because Granblue, yeah, it still mills, but it doesn't gain effects like it does with Great Nature.
Toolbox Wallaby and Monoculus Tiger.
So yeah, this is Great Nature versus OTT. And as we know, OTiddles is the top tier deck right now. Great Nature just recently topped.
Cutter tap.
Let's see what the world champ has to say.
What do you like to say? No.
And here he is.
No, we wish we were that hooked up.
We don't even know the dude's name.
So we're gonna start off with Triad Dog's attack, 15 at Vanguard.
Gotta let that one hit. Boost.
Oh, that's
No,
unfortunate.
psychic bird.
So now we're going 12 to your 22.
No pass.
Oh no,
First
denied.
Second check, heal trigger. We're gonna add 10,000 power to Monoculous Tiger.
Okay.
Monoculous Tiger will attack your Vanguard, and I will use a skill. Soul Blast 1. And then mill the top card. It is a normal unit, so you cannot guard with Sentinels on this attack. So that's 28 to your 22.
Guard with.
And Zebra gains his 5k again. So that's 15 plus 9 is 24? 24 to your 22. And then I'll end my turn.
Stand and draw. Ride Imperial Daughter. Skill. To hand. To soul.
8 cards in hand.
Okay. Call Amaterasu. Call Farfalle Modus. Farfalle skill. Bottom deck hit.
Did you call an Amaterasu to rear guard?
Yeah, because their skill works
You
on
see this? Do you see this, people? This is on a rear guard.
41 at Vanguard with extra crit.
You know what?
Take it, take
No
it, take
guard.
it. Oh,
First check. Second check.
ooh, not that double crit everyone hopes for.
First damage, draw trigger. We're gonna give the power to Monoculous Tiger. And it'll draw. Second damage, critical trigger. I'll put the power on Vanguard this time.
25 at Barcode Zebra.
Rest in peace.
Goodbye, Miss American Pie.
And all my units draw.
At
Ride.
least the YouTube studio can make this less shaky.
Heavy Brain Myrmidon. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We're gonna call Armed Instructor Bison.
Just why does it give no Excel gift?
Oh, look, look, look. He's just
'Cause
fanning
I'm
himself
gonna
with the
gain
cards.
a whole bunch of power right here. Activate his skill, Counter Blast 1, and then Soul Blast to grade 3. Then, all my front row gains 10,000 power. And you
Who
can't
needs-
intercept this turn, but...
Who needs fronts when you can activate a card like that?
And guess what? It's not once per turn, so I'm gonna do it again.
Oh, shapoopoo. Shapoopy. Shapoopy.
Okay.
So,
Gird your
20K
loins.
plus the 12, it's 32 at your Vanguard.
I'm actually going to let that one hit.
Ouchie.
And then we got 32 at Vanguard again.
PG.
First check, front trigger.
Oh, God.
Second check, draw trigger, power to Monoculous Tiger.
Double trigger, people. Y'all made all. Okay.
Then we're gonna have
Nani?
Triad Dog has 29 plus 6, 35, or plus the front. And
Ouch.
Toolbox Wallaby, 39, 49.
Protect. Forced
And-
it. Forced to protect.
When Monoculous Tiger attacks, I use his skill. Let's see what the mill
Really?
is.
One card in hand.
You can't use Sentinels.
Oh, ouch. OTT taken down by Great Nature. Tell me, who predicted this?
OTT did.
All right, we're out. Bam.